Hello and welcome to this presentation. My name is Lee Snyder, the product manager for the Steel segment here at Tekla Inc. And I'm going to quickly be discussing the new item feature that's available within Tekla. Basically what the item feature allows you to do is to bring in a more realistic representation of objects that otherwise weren't previously available in earlier versions of Tekla structures. So just to show you what I mean by that, if we come in and take a look at these grading tread stairs, you can see that surface treatment has been applied to the treads here. If I come in and remove that, you can see that it's basically just a piece of plate underneath a surface treatment to make it appear like the actual object. Same type of thing with the grading. If I come in and remove that surface treatment, this has been applied to a particular piece of plate. You can still get the correct lengths and information in the bill of material, the correct weights. It's just not as realistic of a representation as it could be. So if I come in and now switch on a filter showing the new functionality and capabilities within Tekla, then we can go ahead and take a look at this. So now with the new item, I can actually bring in a realistic looking shape and embed that into my components and insert that throughout the model. So here you can see again the grading and the stair treads, how they have a realistic look and feel. Again, we can give them the correct weight and so forth, but just with a more accurate representation now. So just a quick example, we can come in and bring in the item, embed that into a component, and then using the stair component over here on the steps tab, if we come in and load these particular settings, now I'm pulling that one in, and that's the stair output that I get that can be saved away and then reused over and over and over again. So just a quick look on how this would actually work, and again another use case. So here this is a safety gate that's been modeled in, and these are all just individual parts and pieces. So if you were to create a drawing of this, you're going to have part marks come in for each of these individual pieces, require more cleanup than is necessary. So if I come in and filter that out, then I can show you some of the new options, again using the item that can be done here. So this is this new item here for steel and for concrete parts if you want. If I double click and open this up, these are just the standard settings. And then to load in a shape, I can click on select and you'll be able to see the library that's already in there. If you want to add to it, you can just click on import, and then you can see the file types that are supported here. So any of these file types you can import as an item, as a single object, and it will behave like a part or an object in the model. So if you want, you can number it, you can name it, you can show it on assembly drawings and that sort of thing. The only thing that you won't be able to do is to run a CNC file off of it. But other than that, it will behave like any other object within Tekla structures. So if I load in the settings here to pull in a safety gate, instead of all of those different parts or pieces, then I can just come in and insert this item. Looks the exact same, but now it's one object here for me to create a drawing of, have one part mark, one line item on the bill of material, and then I can use that throughout the model wherever I would want. So there's a quick overview of the new item that's available within Tekla Structures version 20. I encourage you to go and check it out either through the help file or just playing around with it. And we hope you enjoy this new steel development.